Well, good morning, everybody, and happy Boxing Day to those who celebrate. Today is the day after Christmas, December 26th, and I just want to show you I've had several requests. I've gotten a bunch of emails to see the finished result of the Scaccias. So, they're technically called Scaccia in Italian. We call them Scotches in English. So, that's what I'm going to refer them to. I wanted to give you the correct name for them yesterday while I was cooking them. But that's what we call them, as scotches. So if you have Italian Americans in your family and they refer to scotches, not scotch, not the liquor, that's what they're referring to, is this dish right here. So I want to show you. These came out so good, you guys. I have not made these in several years. And the secret of doing this is rolling the dough as thin as you can without getting holes in it, which I obviously did, but they come out just as delicious. And then putting the egg mixture on top so that you get this nice crunchy, good golden brown color. So these were in my refrigerator overnight. I had them in this bag. Normally I just cover them with saran wrap, which is what I should have done because well, not that one, but this one is a little bit, well, no, they're not too bad. They come out kind of mushy if you put them in something that has no air circulation. These are not going to go bad. When I was growing up, we always left them on the counter, but they only had the tomato and parsley in it, and not the cheese. So I put them away in the refrigerator because of the cheese, and I put the tomato ones in there too. So as I was saying yesterday in the video, these are always better the second day. The flavors get to meld together. The dough just, I don't know, it's not mushy. It's totally cooked, but they are just so much better the second day. Kind of like lasagna. The first day it's delicious. The second day it's, oh my God, delicious. It's just amazing. Same with, I'm going to show you my little snack right here. Same with the breaded cauliflower. I can't get it right now. Yes, I have my brace on. So the fried cauliflower, I did make some yesterday, and this is my snack, actually lunch. So this is not all for me and my husband. But I wanted to show you the inside, what it looks like. And it's just layers and layers of everything I put in there. And it's just layers of deliciousness. So so I only used one pound of dough yesterday, and I totally cheated. A couple people have asked me for my dough recipe. I am going to be making pizza really soon, and I'll give you the recipe for the dough then, and I'll show you how to do that. Very, very easy, but I did cheat. I knew that I just could not knead the dough, so even though I have my KitchenAid, I really like to get my hands in it and stuff, and so I just went ahead and I bought Bridgeford dough, the packet of 3 pounds, so I have 2 more pounds in the freezer, and 1 pound this week. I'm going to show you guys how to do Italian donuts that we call pizza vita. So I'm going to show you guys a lot more about my my cultural background, I guess, and some more Italian recipes as we go along through 2022. So I've had lots and lots of requests for more Italian recipes. So that's what I intend to do. Go through my mom's recipe books and things that she used to make that I remember, and that you know, some things I know how to make and some things I don't. So I will be learning right alongside of you guys. So just wanted to show you, this is what it looks like. And we're going to do a word of the day today, Boxing Day. Because this is Boxing Day in Great Britain, and lots and lots of different the Commonwealth countries from Britain. So that's going to be the word of the day, is Boxing Day. For those of you guys who celebrate Boxing Day or know who it is, or know what it is, happy Boxing Day to you. And put that in the comments as well. If you guys celebrate Boxing Day, what do you do for this day? I know lots of people have different traditions and have a whole another Christmas dinner on this day. And let me know what you guys do today. and how you're spending today and how you're going to be spending New Year's. So, just wanted to come on here really quickly. I have to do a few things, and hopefully a video is coming. We have a lot of good things upcoming. We have a lot of new subscribers. We've reached 8,000, you guys. I am so excited. My goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of February, or, well, by my birthday, which is February 6th, but not sure if that's going to happen because my channel had slowed down there. I thought I was going to make 8,000 subscribers in November, or by at least December 1st, but because I wasn't really active and gone for 2 weeks, that didn't happen. My channel really slowed down. So thank you to everyone who has been watching all of my videos and commenting and liking all of the older videos. I really appreciate that. My channel has been boosted, and we're really getting out there more. We're getting more and more subscribers, and I anticipate that just continuing. But I want to thank you guys who have told me that you're watching my old videos, letting them play through for the ads and stuff. Thank you. I really appreciate it right now. There's really not a whole lot I can do because of my wrist, and I'll be getting into that probably in a live this week, hopefully, because I haven't done a live in over a month, you guys. And we'll be doing random giveaways. So make sure that you watch the videos all the way through to do the word of the day. For November, December, we'll be going back into those and doing random giveaways. So, and they're not going to be as big as they were before for a little while, till my channel really gets boosted up again. But I am anticipating that we're going to get a lot more boosts with January coming up. I know I watch all the January channels every year, and I'm so excited to be a part of it this year. So remember, the word of the day is Boxing Day. Comment that in the comment section below to be entered to win one of my giveaways, the monthly giveaways, the random giveaways that are upcoming. And the big giveaway is going to be a hydrator for my 8,000 subscriber video. So thank you guys for watching. You must be subscribed to win, and we're going to have a really great 2022, you guys. I will see you soon.